Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the rules that I learned from pain in the market, and I hopefully can help you in your own trading. But before we get into that, I just wanted to give you an update of the trade that we took yesterday, GBP and Euro versus the dollar. You can see there based against us. Yesterday, we at our furthest extent, I think we were around about 80 pips on Euro USD. Um, but it is what it is. So it's reversing against us, and reversing against me. In case somebody says who is us reversing against me, and let's see on GBP USD, it's also reversing against me. See, that's around about some 126 pips at its furthest extent yesterday. So yeah, it is what it is. It's kind of reversing against me. If it comes back and takes me out on break even, that's fine. I allowed the market to show me when I am wrong. At least I'm at break even, so it's not technically a loss, but it's still a loss. Being taken out at break even. Fortunately, with my other account, I was trailing price closer to closer to price, so I also got taken out at that trailing stop. So that account also, maybe I'll show you that other account in the future, but for this account, this is how things are looking. We'll see if the buyers are in charge, but for now, it did look like the bears were in charge. So allow the market to show you when you are correct and when you are wrong. Um, Here's the thing. I know people will probably say, so the system doesn't work, your approach doesn't work, your it's still fine. But understand that in forex trading or in any kind of trading, the market will always do what the market wants to do. What you are just doing with your approach, with your analysis, with your indicators, with your robots, with you are just trying to put the odds in your favor. But once you have done everything to put the odds in your favor, there is nothing else that you can do except to let the market show you whether you were correct or whether you were wrong. You can put in all the indicators and stuff. All that you're just doing is to try and put the odds in your favor. No system, no strategy, no robot, no indicator is a guarantee that you are correct or that you are going to make a lot of money in the market. All that you are just trying to do is put the odds in your favor. Otherwise, then you let the market do what the market wants to do. Either show you that you were wrong or either show you that you were correct. So if price takes me out there at break even and it still shows me an opportunity to sell, I'm going to jump in again and sell. If it then passes my resistance zone there, then I know that we are looking for buys. The buyers are definitely in control. But well, the market does that sometimes. It takes you out at your stop and still continues in your direction. So it's not a big deal for me. So yeah, okay. So let's. By the way, those two buttons in the top left corner there, if you want them, the link is in the description box below. I developed the buttons, so they are free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. And if you still want to download the other things, robots, books, and stuff like that, the links are also in the description box below. We share everything for free. Subscribe. Did I ask you to subscribe? You need to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Like the video. Hopefully you learn one or two things in this video. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. For just $5, you can open a trading account with my broker. So just $5, a real live trading account. Their link is in the description box below. It's good if you want to test strategies, if you want to test robots, if you want to test indicators and stuff like that. Well, people sometimes use demo. I don't like using demo so much. I like having to test things, to try things in a real market condition. That's just me. Having said that, let's talk about the lessons that I've learned over the few years of trading, which I believe can be taught to you as well. So the first rule that I learned from pain in the markets is actually that you need to learn to trade your rules. Like I'm saying here, it looks like price is turning against me. It looks like sky is falling on me and stuff like that. But my rules, according to how I trade, I need to hold on because I trade higher time frames. I'm a swing trader. I need to hold on. If it takes me out, that's fine. But it gives me another opportunity. I again sell. If it then turns around and shows me that it wants to buy, then I buy. Most of the time, people are trying things that they don't understand, things that they've been given by a friend, or they don't even follow the rules. People are using impulsive trading. Don't trade on impulse. Don't trade on things that you don't understand. I always tell people, I rather fail. I rather fail my own rules, my own system, my own stuff, or win using my own rules, my own stuff, and everything about me, things that I understand. So find something that you understand, something that is your own, a trading style that's your own, a trading strategy that you understand, rules that you can follow. Follow rules. Don't today do this, tomorrow you are doing that, the next day you are doing that. No, have consistency in your trading. Follow your rules. Now, second point is winning in the market and losing in the market is a matter of habits. It's a matter of habits. Here we are talking about things that you can control. I already said the market will do whatever the market wants to do. So the only things that you can control are the things about you, about yourself. So habits. People have a habit of trading without a trading plan. People have a habit of trading without money management in place. People have a habit of impulsive trading. People have a habit of just jumping from one strategy to the next, from one mentor to the next, and stuff like that. You are going to win or lose based on your habits. You need to start cultivating good trading habits. There are many resources online about good trading habits, especially when it comes to money management, lot sizing, and things like that. Start cultivating good trading habits. Number three is to practice. You need to practice. Why? Because, trust me, you will find examples in textbooks of how things will look like, how an M pattern will look like, how a head and shoulders will look like. But trust me, in a real life market conditions, that thing will look completely different. But if you practice and those things become like muscle memory, and you already know what's going to happen and what it looks like, how to identify it in real market conditions, then you are going to be a better trader. The things that you are going to learn in textbooks, online, and stuff like that is fine, but through practice, through practice, you are going to be able to understand things in a live situation. Trust me, the textbook and the real market, they will sometimes confuse you. If you look for what you saw in the textbook, sometimes you will not find it in the real market. So practice. The fourth rule that I learned in the market also is trade small. Trade small. Don't bet your house on a single trader. People do that. Don't bet your house on a single trader. You want to trade small, especially at the beginning. Trade small so that tomorrow you can come back and trade again. I always tell people the market is always going to be there tomorrow. Is your account going to be there tomorrow? You need to think about that. So, your lot sizing, your money management, lot sizing, always trade small. Don't go for these big lot sizes, those big trades, trying to make as much money quickly, stuff like that. You will destroy yourself. Okay. The final tip is journal everything. Everything. I think if you look on this channel, I also showed you a video about an app that you can easily, it's a free app that you can easily download and put on your phone, and it can help you to journal your trades. Journal everything. That's the only way you are going to learn what's working from what's not working, so that you continue focusing on what's actually working. And you should see my monitor. Sometimes I have sticky notes on my screen. Sometimes I have sticky notes on my physical laptop, on my walls. I'm trying to journal things. And then that app that I just mentioned, look for that video on this channel. You'll find it. Then journal everything so that you know what to continue doing and what not to continue doing. That's how you are only going to make money in the market. So I hope these few tips will also help you and turn you into a profitable trader. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.